Hey, welcome back to How to Draw Cartoons. Today we'll be drawing Mew from Pokemon. So let's get straight into the video. So we take out your pen or pencil and start with drawing the eyes or middle of your page. Start with drawing like this for the eyes, and now drawing it down and like this to complete the first eye. Now for the next eye, draw it like this and raise it inside and draw the eyeball to the same other side. Now draw it like this. So now above him we draw the ears and now like this. Now we go over to the body and like this. Now to draw the hand, we go like this, and the next hand. So onto here. Now after I draw this, if you want to illustrate it and make the coloring look smooth by using some digital art, well, I suggest you to check out the link in the description which says check out my other channel and how to illustrate, where in that channel I teach you how to illustrate and do digital arting. So after this, if you're from future, well, I think you will be able to see the illustration of Mew, the same Mew. Just trace this outside. And before I start coloring, I have to tell you this. Today I'll be using my new sketches for this coloring process. And I just bought it and I have tried it once. I will be trying it on this character. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's kind of awesome, as you could attach one and make it a wheel just by attaching all of them, and it would go onto like this. Yep. So now let's get into the coloring process. And that's pretty much it. There is Mew from Pokemon. I've been teaching this lesson. If you liked your content, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Please hit the like button. Give your suggestions in the comment section. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. So till then, take care, cheers, and bye.